Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well, and today I'm going to do a charcoal facial. I'm going to try out Roop Mantra's charcoal facial kit for the first time, and I'm going to share my honest review about this product so that if I like it and if you think that the results are good, you can also try it for yourself. I'll leave a purchase link in the description if you want to try it out. Now let's get started with the video. Before starting the demo, I want to give you a closer look of the packaging. But before that, I'm going to tell you what benefits your skin is going to draw by using this charcoal facial kit. So, it removes pollutants, toxins and skin impurities, tightens skin and prevents early aging signs, lightens dark spots, pimple marks and blemishes, promotes an even skin tone and soft, glowing and healthy skin. So this is how the packaging looks from top. At the back of the packaging, all the 5 steps are explained here, along with not only the directions of use, you also get the details of the ingredients and their benefits individually. And at the side of the packaging, you can see the prices there. It is rupees 398. And now from inside, let me show you how the kit looks like. So this is how the kit looks like. It has these 5 steps. Step 1 is cleansing milk, 2 is face scrub, 3 is massage gel, 4 is face pack, and step 5 is nourishing cream. So now let's get started with the demo finally. So I'm going to start with step 1, which is the Roop Mantra Charcoal Cleansing Milk. It contains 15 grams of product. It is enriched with the goodness of imli fruit, haldi and neem. It gently removes skin impurities and provides clean, clear and moisturized skin tone. You need to apply an adequate amount of Roop Mantra charcoal cleansing milk on face and neck. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes in circular and upwards motion. Rinse off with water or wipe off using a wet cotton. Step number 2 is Roop Mantra Charcoal Scrub. Again 15 grams of product. It is a unique combination of akhroat fruit bark, imli fruit, haldi, neem and bihidana seed. It exfoliates skin, removes dead skin cells, blackheads and makes skin surface fresh and clean. You need to apply an adequate amount of the scrub on face and neck. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes in circular motions and upwards motion and rinse it off using water or wet cotton wipe. Step number 3 is the Roop Mantra Charcoal Massage Gel. Again 15 grams of product. The Roop Mantra Charcoal Massage Gel helps in reducing pigmentation and improves skin complexion with wonderful skin care properties of manjishtha, imli, haldi and neem. You need to apply an adequate amount and massage it gently on face and neck area for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off with water or wet wipe. Now let's move to step number 4, which is the Roop Mantra Charcoal Face Pack. Again 15 grams of product with the goodness of imli fruit extract, haldi, neem, hatika powder. Roop Mantra Charcoal Face Pack unclogs the pores, cleans pollutants, dust, dirt and leaves skin glowing, hydrated and moisturized. You need to apply a thick layer of the Roop Mantra Charcoal Face Pack on cleansed face and neck. Avoid mouth and eye area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with water or wipe off with wet cotton once it has dried. It makes my face and neck feel very cool and relaxed. So I really liked this face pack. You can also apply it with your fingers in case you do not have a face pack brush at home. And now it's time for step number 5, which is the Roop Mantra Charcoal Nourishing Cream. It contains 15 grams of product. Roop Mantra Charcoal Nourishing Cream is complete nutritive care for dull, dry and lifeless skin. It stimulates blood circulation, gives complete nourishment and deeply conditions the skin, makes skin surface soft, smooth and supple. You need to apply an adequate amount of Roop Mantra Charcoal Nourishing Cream on face and neck. Massage for 10 to 15 minutes until cream completely gets absorbed into the skin. And yes, do not forget your neck. I'm done with my facial and I'm liking the result a lot. First of all, my skin has become very much brighter than what it was before, and also my skin has become very soft and smooth, which is amazing. Another reason why I would ask you to try out this facial kit is because it is very well set up. People who are not much into skincare, they might not know the steps very well, but here all the steps are set up properly and it is very well explained at the back of the packaging, because of which I would ask you to try out this facial kit for once. I will leave the purchase link in the description below for sure. The quantity that is provided in each of the tub is 15 grams and I am done with one use, but still the quantity that is left in each of the tub, I think it is good enough for another time. So for 398 rupees you can do facial for twice, which is great. So hopefully you liked knowing about this facial kit. So I'll be back with another video very soon. If you really liked this video, then like this video and I will be back. So subscribe to this channel and wait for my next video. Bye.